What's the meaning of blameless? Blameless. Blameless.
Blameless. Blameless. Blameless is an adjective that describes someone or something that is free from blame or guilt. It implies that the person or thing in question has not committed any wrongdoing, and therefore cannot be held responsible for any negative consequences. In short, blameless means innocent. It is often used to describe someone who has been wrongly accused of something or someone who has acted in good faith, but still faced criticism or punishment. Being blameless can bring a sense of relief or vindication, but it can also be challenging to maintain in a world where mistakes and misunderstandings are common.